control, we're overcomplicating how love flows. Hollow shouldn't be this stock broke, shouldn't be this hard to tell you I want more. I wanna see that you want me, snatch me up quick, let's see the ring. I wanna know, can we move forward, bust down that door, playing all my cards now, 'cause I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. But I can't wait no more. Lately you've been trying to buy time for me, but your watch broke. Now your shot clock counting down. Headed to the middle, not your MO. Baby, push the tempo. Don't know how much longer till I hit the ground running. Are you stopping me? You gotta go like Monopoly. I'm tryna make you my property. Better yet, buy me some property. 'Cause we've been doing this forever. Guess it's never, never. 'Cause I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. But I can't wait no more.
You run through my head. You can run through my head. My world feels a dash. I'm burning the fire. It's only fair.
You run through my head.
Ideas, think about
No
us.
matter what I try, can't get you out my mind.
If I was never down, would I ever know
Lately it's all the time, hope that I'll see the light.
End of the tunnel, hope that it's bright, and hope that I'll see you soon.
It's getting harder to go. Taking all the chances to you.
You occupy my headspace, my mental soil. Can't change that dependent, that's true. Swear on what I got, you'll be the one. Won't make it out, news of the month. Talk of the town, no way around it. If your blessings turn curses, I'm round, yeah. Mean these verses like every word, I'm about that. Let the whole world know that you found me, yeah, yeah.
You run through my head.
Ideas, think